How to turn off Spotify news and offers notifications fast and easy. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off Spotify news and offers notifications fast and easy. First, go to Spotify and then click on this icon here in top corner to go to the settings, and then go down. You need to find the notifications here, click on it, and then click this one here, and now turn this one off, and turn this one off if you don't want email notifications. And that's how to turn off Spotify news and offer notifications. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.